Hi everyone, my name is Candace. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the College of Education Lesson Plan template, better known as COE, and show you how each component helps create a well-organized, student-centered lesson. By the end of this video, you'll understand the importance of scaffolding instruction, using the learning cycle, and aligning your standards, objectives, and assessments to meet the needs of your students. COE wants us to scaffold instruction by following a certain set of learning cycles. So our learning cycles are the pre-assessment, instruction, assessment, data review, and reteaching and reflection. On the next slide, we're going to dive a little deeper into each cycle and what it means for you. On this section here, this gives you a clear definition of what is needed in each cycle. You can pause this video right here and take a picture or print it out by doing a screenshot. But you want to make sure that you follow each step to make sure you're meeting all of the guidelines from COE. This first section of the COE lesson plan focuses on classroom and student factors and grouping. This part is crucial because understanding your students' needs allows you to plan instruction that meets all learners where they are. For example, you may have students with an IEP, different cultural backgrounds, or varying levels of prior knowledge. This helps inform how you'll group your students for activities and differentiate your instruction. Next, we will want to focus on the standards and the objectives. Standards ensure that our lessons align with state or national guidelines. Objectives are specific, measurable learning outcomes that students should achieve by the end of each lesson. Each objective must align with the standards and guide your instruction and assessment. This connection between standards and objectives is the foundation of a strong lesson plan. Next, you want to know about the anticipatory set. This is where you set the tone for each lesson. The anticipatory set is what you use to hook your students at the beginning of the lesson. This could be a thought-provoking question, a quick demonstration, or a story. Its purpose is to engage students and get them thinking about the lesson topic. This is essential for sparking curiosity and setting the tone for your lesson. Now we're going to discuss what it looks like during your lesson and what you should be showing your students. So there's something called the means of representation. This refers to how you present the lesson content. It's important to use different materials and methods to represent information such as visuals, videos, or hands-on activities. This ensures that students with different learning styles can grasp the material regardless of where they are. So now that you've set the tone for the lesson, gave the students the visuals in the different ones depending on your group, you want to talk about the engagement, okay? So means of engagement involves how students interact with the lesson content. This includes cooperative learning, group discussions, or individual tasks. By offering multiple ways to engage, you keep students motivated and active in their learning. During engagement time, this gives you an opportunity to see how the students are reacting to the lesson. So this is called the means of expression. Means of expression is how students show what they've learned. Some might complete a quiz, while others may express their learning through projects, presentations, or writing assignments. Allowing different ways of expression helps cater to individual strengths and needs. COE says differentiation is key to meeting the diverse needs of your students. It involves adjusting content, process, or product to suit students at different levels. For instance, some students might need extra time or visual aids, while others may benefit from a more challenging task. So now that the lesson is over, you want to make sure you give students a chance to work more on the lesson that they learned that day. So the next step is extension activity or homework visuals, okay? So an extension activity or homework gives students additional practice outside of class. This could be a research task or worksheet or a creative project. Extension activities allow students to apply their knowledge in different contexts, reinforcing what they've learned. So now it's time to bring everything full circle. One of the most important aspects of lesson planning is ensuring alignment between the standards, the objectives, the learning activities, and the assessments. This means that the activities and assessments used should directly measure whether students have achieved the lesson objectives, which in turn reflect the standards. When everything is aligned, students have a clear path to success, and you can accurately assess their process or their progress. Now that you have your assessment data, you have to understand that this plays a critical role in shaping future lesson plans. By reviewing both formative and summative assessment results, you can identify which students need reteaching, which concepts need more emphasis, and where you can challenge students further. Some examples of data you could use include quiz results, classwork performance, or observational notes. This information helps you fine-tune your lessons for better outcomes. To conclude this video, understanding each component of the COE lesson plan template helps you create clear, effective, and differentiated lessons. By using scaffolded instruction in the learning cycle, aligning standards and objectives, and analyzing assessment data, we can ensure that we meet the diverse needs of all students. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this very helpful. Here are the references I used in this presentation. If you like more information, feel free to consult these resources. Have a great day.